This activity on page number 76, we have to insert the with the following sentences because they include either the superlative degree, famous personalities, paper, places, and the particular objects, persons, etc. The planets revolve around the sun in their fixed orbits. The Red Fort is a historical monument. Did you ever read the Holy Quran? The Ganga flows from the Himalayas. Agra is on the banks of the Yamuna, while Lucknow is on the banks of the Gomati. In this activity, we have to use a or am. I'm reminding you, a is used with the words in singular form and which are starting with consonants, and an is used with the words starting with vowels a, e, I, o, u. The king had an army of 6,000 soldiers and a big godown of weapons. My teacher gave me an useful suggestion. I had an egg, an apple, a sandwich, and a glass of milk for breakfast. Ishita has an aunt and a cousin living in Chennai. An actor is an interesting person who earns his living by acting. Shalini bought a pen, a pencil, an instrument box, and an ink pot from the stationery shop. An ox, a camel, an elephant, and a fox were good friends. In this activity, we have to use all the three words or articles a and the. The Shatabdi Express is one of the fastest trains in India. Lisbon is the capital of Portugal. We had an unexpected visitor this morning. Cambridge University is in the United Kingdom. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs. Mike went to the super comic store to buy a comic book. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Harish Chandra was an honest and truthful king. We have used "and" with honest because in this word the sound of H is silent. I met a boy in the store. In question number 3, again we have to use a and or the in the correct places. I drank glass of milk every day. I drink a glass of milk every day. Tailor stitched frock today. The tailor stitched frock today. I want to become engineer when I grow up. I want to become an engineer when I grow up. Train came hour late. The train came an hour late. I bought banana and an apple. I bought a banana and an apple. Mr. Sinha is a clever man. Mr. Sinha is a clever man. Honest man never tells lies. An honest man never tells lies. Okay, here again we have used "and" before honest because here the sound of H is silent. I met old woman in market. I met an old woman in the market. Okay, so that is about lesson number 8, articles. So thank you students, have a good day.